Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a progress bar in Notion. So I've already created a table database with 2 task input. Now I wanted to show you how to add the properties we're going to track. So you click on the plus, add property, click on number, and we're going to rename this done. And we're going to do another one, click on the plus, go to number, and I'm going to call this total. Now you can name it whatever you want. If you're reading a book, maybe you want to do pages read versus total number of pages or something. And then we're going to add property again and go down to formula this time. And when you can just double click or single click actually on this plus and type this in. I'm going to want to pause the video and look at this. And there's just an extra parentheses at the end, but this is gonna give you a 10 segment bar, and I'll show you what this looks like. So say we have 100 total, then if you have 10, it will show you 1/10 or 1 bar filled out. You have 20, you have 30, and you can input decimals, although I don't know if you would read 35.5 pages, and it would show that and it would visually represent it. Now this one rounds up to 4 bars because it's above 35. So just keep that in mind. Hope this helps. Thank you.